Okay, Darcy says that this Wheeleri
And then
is just look how that little thing is sitting.
and then look from this side. Look at her eyes.
Look, she has one hand just sitting on her leg, sitting on her tail. I think it's a girl. That's why. She's just kind of like, you know, like hanging out. What's up? What's going on?
Oh my god. That's
probably one of the funniest things I've ever seen a gecko do. It's totally just sitting there like...
I know. She doesn't even care. She's just like watching.
Like, whatever. Where's dinner?
No, don't move her. It's too funny.
Oh, wait, whoa, what's going on here?
You messed it up.
This is one of our patternless, or not patternless, broken band. Apparently a Chinese acrobat gecko to be sitting like that. It's our broken band project right here. Okay, that's it.